we've been spending some time on the beach and not much vlogging, like no vlogging. So we've been here, what, 2 days, and did a little bit, but anyways, today's a work day. It's a Wednesday. It's a work day. We gotta get groceries too, because we delayed our grocery run a day. So today's a work day, so Pearl's over here doing her little thing, doing her Moms in Prayer stuff. And then I'm gonna go out, and it's been we're coming up on 4 days. So I got a black tank that's full, and my gray's about full. Really love the gray tank. We shut everything off, shut it off. Full showers, full washing, no caring about how much water we use, and I'm at 2/3. So nice big tanks. I like it. So we're gonna dump some tanks. Thought y'all'd love that, huh? Yay. So head on around here and see what we got. Put the sprayer on for washing our feet off, because she saw the one at the walkway from the beach is gone. So bays are all hooked up. Everything's all hooked up. It's pretty easy out here, and there it goes. Easy as that. So I'm gonna go in and flush the toilet a couple times just to help swish some stuff out. Camp's kind of a mess right now. It's supposed to rain a little bit today, and it's gotten windy, so we've been leaving the awning up. No real need for it. Just a little bit of sun during the day, and we're usually on the beach when it comes, so there's no reason to put the awning out. And tucked everything away in case it rained, kind of keep some of the stuff dry. So head on in, and I'm gonna do a couple of my daily duties here. And well, that was hard to do, huh? So we'll go ahead and finish that, and then we'll dump the gray. It's really hard work on these things. There goes the gray. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some water in the fresh tank in case something happens. Oh, looks like that filter's leaking. Looks like I'm going to work on that one. It's a strainer on the inlet of the water pump. Looks like it's leaking. Cracked, I think. I need to just remove it. Don't really need it. Make sure it's not dripping on the pump. Nope. Yeah. Maybe just a little bit. No, there's no little. That's something I'll have to work on. Easy as that, it's all done. So I'll just go ahead and pop that closed, and just close up all the nastiness, and we're all done. So that's good for another day. I'll come out and dump that every day. I just keep the valves closed. Yeah, got lucky with the site. I was able to just back it in. I left the dolly on. I was able to just back it all up and in. So we didn't have to unhook the dolly or anything. So get the bikes off here pretty soon, so we can do some biking probably today, because it's kind of cool out. Good weather to ride a bicycle around. And let me get my grill cover. Grill set up over here. Set our chairs and stuff are all put away. So I think I'll show it a little later. Tikis aren't helping much with the mosquitoes. They're just awful this year. So I miss our covered porch. Our screen porch that was on the other camper. That was nice, because it definitely kept out, gave you somewhere to sit. Oh, look, she's still working.
Yeah,
Still
I should be done soon.
Still working.
I tell ya, it's these emails. They're
Uh-huh.
like,
You give your mom's in prayer plug?
yeah, I'm involved in the Ministry of Moms in Prayer International, and in this part of the state of Ohio where I'm at, where I reside, live, whatever, I'm regional coordinator, so I help moms who are interested in praying for their children in schools get connected with the ministry. And the ministry's vision is for every child and every mission. I can never remember which, but for every child and every school to be covered in prayer. So when moms in my area contact the ministry, I try to help them get connected with the ministry and find a group. And as regional coordinator, I have different responsibilities too in addition. So, but I enjoy it, and I just enjoy being able to do that.
Yeah. And it's a love-hate relationship sometimes.
No, it's just, I wouldn't say that.
Okay,
it's
frustration then?
No, it's just life happens.
Okay.
So it's ministry mixed in, or I don't know, life and ministry together, and sometimes it gets to be, it can be a lot sometimes, but in a good way.
It's also helping you grow too, isn't it?
It is, yes.
Yeah, so that's the love-hate part. Sometimes it's like, I don't want to do this, but But then God has another idea.
Yes.
And the next thing you know, okay, I guess I'm doing this.
Yes, right. Because exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, because God has different things, different plans
than what Pearl has plans for.
And it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's not all bad. So.
All right, so that's what she's up to. So when she's working, she's doing this. And
we're having today. It's just cloudy and windy, and so it's just kind of turned out to work out to do. This
is all volunteer thing. So it's her.
I wouldn't say volunteer. It's not volunteering.
Okay.
It's serving.
It's serving?
This is where I'm serving.
Okay, so that's her little ministry.
Service, yes.
It's her little ministry work there.
Yeah, serving in the ministry of, it's not really my ministry, it's God's ministry, and this is where He's placed me to serve, so if that makes sense.
Yes, it does. So anyways, so she's taking care of me.
No.
All right, well, she's up here doing this.
Yeah,
I'm doing things. I'm doing things around here, and I've been doing a little work back here too. So back here, I have my little setup going. So I've been doing some video editing and stuff here. So I'm trying to get a few things done. Yep, we're still in Cade's Cove there. So that's what we're up to. So even I get to do a little bit of work, fun work, but Rose got her fun work going over there, and I got my fun work going over here, and pretty soon, let's see, I think it'll be lunch soon.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. And then not sure what I'm gonna do right on. So anyways.
Okay, so Jim recorded what I was doing this morning, so let's go see some of what Jim is doing this morning, because it's almost noon now.
It's almost noon.
Yeah.
Oh,
so what are you doing?
Is your tummy getting hungry?
Well, you was showing what my work, so I was just showing what your work is.
I'm editing video. Look, here's Pearl. Hold on, there's Pearl. Look, there's Pearl in her hat.
From a couple years ago.
Yeah, look at that. Okay. Dance, Pearl, dance. Pearl's doing a jig.
Yeah. So yeah, he's been working on this a little bit. Had some time. A good day for it.
Yep.
Not really a good beach day. So,
no.
Yeah.
No.
That, and we needed a break from the sun.
Yes, we needed a break from the sun because us northerners aren't used to the sun.
No.
At least those that have to work all the time.
Yeah. So, yep. So I thought I'd just show you what Jim's doing too. So,
okay.
Yep. Anything you'd like to say or add?
She's touching my GoPro. she's got a hold of the new Hero 12.
Yeah.
Yeah, she went right for the new one.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's what you told me to use.
No, okay.
So, there you go.
There I go.
All right. So, anyway, so for now,
Lunch.
Lunch, and this
Lunch.
is what we've been doing this morning. So,
Yeah.
till later.
Yep.
Bye.
Lunch. We are in the process of fixing lunch, and today we are going to have BLTs. So I got the bacon going, and the last time I checked, Pearl was doing crossword puzzles, and I said, "Hey, bacon's going to be done real fast." So I'm doing the bacon, and she's supposed to be doing the other stuff. Let's see. She stopped crosswording and got to work. Oh, she's at work.
Still working.
She's working.
I'm still working.
She's working now.
It's different work now.
Not the crossword she was doing.
Yeah.
She's like, oh, I gotta get to moving on that.
Yeah, I'm
Is it?
slacking.
It doesn't take the things long to cook on that Blackstone.
No.
Pearl had the sandwich up to her mouth, getting ready to take a bite out of it.
And he's like, wait.
Oh, and is there teeth marks in it yet?
No,
Almost.
Almost. And
I
he's
said,
like,
no, wait. We got
Like, you're
we're a
making me
food
wait.
channel. You know, gotta get the food. Anyway, so there's our.
Making me wait.
Yep, there's our bacon burgers.
We didn't have bread, so we improvised and used hamburger buns.
Yep,
So
so
should be good.
BLTs.
Yep.
Yep, with heavy on the B.
Yes.
All right. All right, we're eating. We just got back. I know a lot of people talk about how they can not fill their fridge with much stuff, but here's all the empty bags because we already loaded in most of the
Yeah, all the
refrigerated.
refrigerated. Oh, what's it? I don't. Oh, the milk.
got some milk. So here Pearl's going to show off our packing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got quite a bit in there.
Yes. We still got quite a
the
bit of room.
salad dressing.
We got quite a bit of room left in there too.
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Yeah. And then our freezer here.
I think our freezer's more full.
Our freezer's more full than that, but they had buy one get one free.
Oh, did we check the receipt?
Kroger.
Did you watch?
I didn't watch.
I didn't either.
It's supposed to be buy one get one free.
Yeah.
We're going to keep it that way
Yeah.
and not check the receipt because
we're
it's too
not.
late.
Okay. Yeah.
Anyway, so yep,
Yeah.
putting groceries away.
Yeah,
What's
we
this
get
is
quite a bit in that fridge, a lot more than what
a
I.
lot more than the old camper.
Yeah, and what I realized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyways, got our dry goods put away and stuff. And some will go in the bed, some will go in our pantry. Our pantry is not too bad. I like our pantry.
We need to organize it though. It's kind of a mess. Right
Yeah, it's
now.
kind of a mess, but
I'm gonna organize as you cook dinner. I think.
yeah, there's the pantry. Slash, ignore all those bottles. We don't usually use those. And when the slide's in, you come in from this way. So then you got all these drawers too that you could put stuff in, which are pretty much empty.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's it.
We
We're going.
put in the drawers like storage, like food storage
Yeah.
bags and trash bags and things like that. In
Yeah.
one of the drawers.
Towels.
Hand towels.
Dish towels.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
kind of making it our own.
Yep.
All right.
Figuring it out as we kind
Yep.
of see what works
So,
and what doesn't work.
We did Kroger and Walmart.
Yeah.
So for some more. Yeah, I got to cook soon. I'll bring y'all along for cooking tonight.
I'm hungry.
Pearl's hungry. Yeah, we ended up with two boxes of moon pies. Where are our moon pies at? I gave the neighbors one each.
Chocolate.
Got chocolates,
And banana.
banana.
They didn't have any pumpkin spice.
No.
Our Kroger back home had I think somewhere back home had pumpkin spice.
Yeah, so I'm out. You know us and moon pies.
More like Jim
Me?
and moon pies.
Jim and moon pies?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just kind of.
Come along for the
Yeah.
ride. Okay. Yeah.
Although I do like them. Yeah.
All right. All right, I got dinner soon. Oh, we did get a food processor because
We don't have an oven.
we don't have an oven, and I want hash browns, and I'm trying to watch my sodium.
Sodium. Yeah.
So we're going to try making our own hash browns with potatoes. So, of course, that's what hash browns are, potatoes.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that was good. All right.
Trying to think of a quick come back on that one.
Now I caught myself.
Couldn't think fast
Yeah,
enough.
yeah. Okay. Well, I did it again. I was going to show cooking dinner, but anyways, made us some barbecued chicken thighs on the Blackstone, and Pearl made this really scrumptious mixed green salad.
Yeah, I'm using up some of that.
Yep, and I'm drinking up. I got one left. This was from our trip to when we went to Kentucky.
Yeah,
Got
that was a good beer.
Yeah,
Is that the Kentucky?
yeah, that's that Kentucky ale
Yeah.
that I got from Buc-ee's. All right, so there's dinner. I forgot to show the cooking of and the splattering of the shirt, which Pearl says, why don't you wear your apron? Anyway, so, all right, so the dinner, so we're going to eat. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.